I can decide whether two quantities are in a proportional relationship. Success criteria 1, I will find the constant in proportionality. Success criteria 2, I will be able to create data and graphs for a given situation. Success criteria 3, I will be able to explain whether or not given quantities are proportional. Is y proportional to x? So for the given data, I have to ask myself, is y proportional to x? I have to create ratios for each of the given situations. So I'm going to create a ratio for each one. I'm going to have 4 over 6. I'm going to have 6 over 9, 8 over 12, and 2 over 3. And I see that they each make proper fractions, so I'm going to simplify them. So I'm going to make this one 2 over 3 by simplifying. This one I can divide by 3, and that one becomes 2 over 3. I can divide this one by 4, and that one becomes 2 over 3. And this one is simplified as it can get, so I'm going to make that 2 over 3. I see that they're each the same, so yes, it is proportional. I'm going to go to the next one. Is y proportional to x? So I'm going to make them each proportions of y over x, and it's always y over x. So I'm going to make 12 over 3. I'm going to make 20 over 5. I'm going to make 8 over 2. I'm going to make 32 over 8. So 12 over 3 equals 4. 20 over 5 equals 4. 8 over 2 equals 4. And 32 over 8 equals 4. And I see that every single one of them equals 4. And so I have a constant. And so is y proportional to x? Yes, it is. Let's see about the next one. Now the thing to remember about this is that k always equals y over x. We're asking, is y proportional to x? So we have to make sure that we have our proportions, our ratio set up as y over x. So I have 15 over 3. I have 17 over 4. I have 19 over 5. And I have 21 over 6. So 15 over 3. That one equals 5. 17 over 4. Well, does that one doesn't equal 5. So I'm just going to say that it doesn't equal 5, and I automatically know that it's not proportional. So I don't even have to worry about the rest. If one of them isn't proportional, then the rest of them aren't. Kayla made observations about the selling price of a new brand of coffee that sold in 3 different size bags. She recorded those observations in the following table. Is the price proportional to the amount of coffee? So what we would have to do is, again, we'd have to make our proportions. So $2.10 over 6, $2.80 over 8, and $5.60 over 16. So now we divide. $2.10 divided by 6. So 210 divided by 6. Well, that would go in there 3 times. That's 18. That goes in there 5 times. So this is 35 cents. Here, if I divide 280 divided by 8, I get 35 cents. And I'm willing to bet that the next one, 560 divided by 16, is going to be 35 cents. So are they proportional? Yes. So for part A, yes, the constant is 35 cents. Use that relationship to predict the cost of a 20-ounce bag of coffee. Well, if the constant is 35 cents, what does that really mean? That means that in price per dollars, it's 35 cents per ounce. So if it's 35 cents per ounce and you want to buy a 20-ounce bag of coffee, then you've got to buy 20 ounces times 35 cents per ounce. So we have to multiply 35 cents times 20. So all we have to do is multiply that, and we get $7. So you pay $7 for a 20-ounce bag of coffee. Not too bad.